If you're not using Claude Code in 2026, then you're getting left behind. Because AI is everywhere right now. Every business already has a few AI tools in the stack, and now it's just the bare minimum. But most businesses stop there. They buy some AI software and think that puts them ahead of the curve. When actually, the way they're using those tools is exactly what's holding them back. Because just using AI isn't enough anymore. What matters is whether it all runs together without a human gluing it at every step. This is exactly why in this video, I'm going to show you the new way of generating leads using Claude Code. Because after building the GTM systems behind more than 275 B2B companies, I found a way to sit inside of the Claude terminal and basically never leave there. But first, you need to understand why the way most businesses use AI is actually holding them back. See, there are a lot of founders out there who actually believe that the organization is AI native. So they're gonna use AI tools to scrape leads, write scripts, and assume that they're actually saving time. When in reality, humans are still the glue holding the whole thing together. So AI is gonna scrape the leads, but then you need someone to actually prompt it and then export all the leads. Then you're gonna have it write the script, but then you actually need a human to copy and put it in the next tool. So you're gonna have AI enriching a list, but then you're gonna need a team members that need to paste the results into the CRM by hand. So you're gonna have Apollo, Instantly, Gmail, Slack, and a CRM, all AI powered, but you still need a human to click everything. Or worse, you've created a Zapier setup that breaks the second a field name changes. And then at the end, you get a lot of useful tools, but a sales team that spend more time moving data around than actually selling. Because sure, you're gonna tell me, okay, those little handoff only takes a few minutes, which doesn't seem like much. But if you start to do the map, say one rep builds 5 lists a week, and every list goes through the same manual handoffs. So you pull it out from Apollo, you need to clean the list, then you run the enrichment, you copy the results into the CRM, and then you use AI to write the copy, you need to fix the copy, and finally you load it into Instantly to launch a campaign. That's about 8 handoffs, totaling 40 minutes of manual work per list. At 5 lists a week, that's over 3 hours per rep doing nothing but shuffling data between tools. Now, if you start to multiply that across a 20-person team, and you are now at 65 plus hours a week, which means you are paying 2 full-time salaries a year just to be the glue between your tools. And since outbound is the highest leverage activity for most businesses, you're just not wasting time and money, you're losing sales you should have gotten because your team is busy gluing things around instead of selling. So what's the alternative? Do you just hire a few more people to take over all the manual tasks? No. The real shift is putting one tool in charge of all the others so the glue stops being a human. And that's where Claude Code comes in. So most people think of it as another AI writing tool. It's actually the control center for your entire tool stack. How? It's all thanks to something called hooks. A hook means one action in a tool automatically triggers the next one with no human input. So for example, when Claude finishes building the list, a quality gate fires on its own and grades it before anything gets sent. Once the quality is high enough, then it starts writing the copy next, and finally everything is loaded into a sequencer like Instantly without having a human needing to lift a finger. And when the run finishes, you're gonna get a Slack notification that's gonna ping your entire team, and every output is saved along the way so you can review it if you ever need to. So every handoff that used to be a person is now just a trigger inside of Claude Code. Nobody needs to babysit the system anymore. Now let me show you how it actually works. So here's the GitHub repo. So you can either go here and download it as a zip file and you can just like take it inside of Claude Codes, or you can actually do it directly from your CLI. So here you have the different playbooks, the scripts, the skills. You can just type install. You're gonna have the build list skill. You're gonna use Epify, so you just need to plug your Epify API key. You're gonna have a hook that's gonna fire whenever one step is done. You're gonna have the write copy and then exporting the campaign directly inside of your sequencer. So here you're gonna have the different playbooks. So we have the scoring system whenever you get a positive reply. We can actually assess the quality of your lead list. Here, based on your deliverability, we're gonna create a decision trees that's gonna give you the next step on how to fix your deliverability. Here we're gonna create a weekly rhythm to run some hook directly for you. Here we're gonna recommend some experiment you can run in your copy, and we're gonna also check for spam in the way you write your copy. So again, to download it, you can just go here and download it directly. Now, if you'd rather not build and run this yourself, that's exactly what we do at Frontal. We build the complete revenue engine behind your sales, marketing, and RevOps department. We've done this for more than 300 B2B companies, including one that we took to 7.83 million in qualified pipeline in 10 months without hiring hiring a single SDR. So if you want to see if we can do the same for you, click the link below to book a call. But either way, now that you have seen what's inside, I'm about to show you just how simple it is to set up. Because the moment most people hear something like clone a repo, they assume that it's just like a super complex developer thing. But the cool thing is that you don't need to be technical at all, and you don't need to write a single line of code. All you actually do is paste a couple of comments, then talk to Claude in plain English. You can use Whisperflow if you don't even want to type on your computer. But instead of just explaining more, the best way for you to see how easy it is to just run one full lead generation loop, start to finish. So let's go back into it. I want you to generate a list of 100 head of sales using Apify, and then I want you to take all the steps all the way to loading the campaign inside of Instantly. Okay, now you can see that Claude Code did the entire job. So we have the list that's fully built. So we found 100 leads using Apify. Then we actually checked the quality. So out of 100 leads, we have 94 that fits. The copy was written, we package the entire thing, and then we send everything directly towards Instantly. And so here you can see the campaign directly inside of my Instantly account. You can see all the leads that were pushed to the campaign. You can see the copy. And so everything is ready to be launched. All of the 5 steps were done through hooks without having a human in the loop to check every step. So you can notice what just happened. I never opened a single tool. I never exported or copy pasted anything, and I never left the terminal once. Every step is finishing what triggered the next one to start. So I actually went from a raw idea to a loaded campaign in a few minutes from one place. Before, this would have easily taken half of my afternoon, and that's exactly why this is the new way to run outbound. Remember, to 65 hours a week of gluing things together, they just disappeared. And that's the difference between the teams who run outbound at a fraction of the cost and headcount, and then the teams that are still jumping between 8 different tools and 10 different tabs. Now, if you're not even sure which of these AI sales tools you actually need in your stack to begin with, watch this video where I break them all down next. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next one.